Hello everyone, I am Rocky F150 and today we are going to be unboxing a bunch of Hellcat parts. We're going to start with the Luxe automotive tint for the rear, the brake lights and the reverse lights. The two for the brake and brake and reverse here. I believe that's how they are on the car. And they did supply an extra one, so you can do a trial run there. That's really all there is to the packing on that. Next up, this is from UPR. This is their catch can, the fender mounted catch can. And I asked for black and I unopened it the first go around and got the satin finish. Contacted them, no issue at all. They exchanged it. There is the fender mounted catch can. Here are the lines. Got the two lines. They are very heavy duty braided lines. There's that, and there's a little filter. Next up, I put this in that box just for storage purposes. This is from Amazon. This is a door light that shines when you open the door. It is the Hellcat with the red eye. It's a white Hellcat with a red eye, because these parts are going on a Redeye charger. If you'd like to see the install on any of these, please comment below. Obviously, subscribe, follow, likes are appreciated. Next, the Hurst shifter. I am really excited for this. Every vehicle Dodge makes out there pretty much has that same shifter knob. It's a good feeling shifter knob. I actually like it, but when you're dealing with a Hellcat Redeye, I just feel like this is what you want. I'm excited. Now we're getting into the good stuff. This is Performance Development's rear diff brace. Yes, this is how it comes. It's very nicely packaged. Everything's bubble wrapped. So this might take me a little while to get into, but I will show you that as I cut here. These are all the parts and the instructions. Here it is unwrapped. Now, these are very nice, heavy-duty pieces of machined awesomeness. And I did something that I probably didn't need to, but we will have to find out at a different time. I went ahead and did the Borla exhaust added clearance. So that's why it has this bit of a curvature here. Now you'll see later what I have coming for it, because that will be later in this video. The reason why I bought this. So you've got that, and you've got some of the hardware there. Super excited to put this on though. And be sure to follow, because I will be doing that. Now it's time for a really big box. This is the JLT intake. Now I went with JLT because there is a ton of YouTube videos showing how they are dyno proven to add, let's say, like 20 horsepower to the rear. I mean, just by an intake, that's pretty impressive. This thing is very monstrous, first of all. Not that the Redeye intake filters aren't big anyway. And I've been told that you could change to a demon filter. Now this is the box. I have an idea for this. You'll have to wait and see in the video for it. Got the intake tube. We don't need these, but we do need these. So, there you go. Now it's time for the one you've been waiting for, the one I've been waiting to show you. Really excited. I'm sorry I had to come back into the garage for this because my wife would be really upset if I tried to unbox this in the house. It's big, it's heavy. Kooks. It's Kooks Catback. I've heard only a couple videos with the Catback on the car, on Chargers. Actually, it was a Challenger, it was a Demon Challenger. It sounded good. They're not loud, but they've got that deep throaty sound that I personally like. I would prefer that over the raspy kind of boat sounding vehicle. So let's open it up. This is gonna take a while. All right, so I got everything out of the box. As you can see, everything's packed really well. Yeah, so first of all, ton of clamps. They send the clamps. Inside these boxes, we see are the 4-inch black tips. And definitely an upgrade over the stainless steel. Look at those, slant cut. Very nice finish, feels great, double walled. Excited to put those on. Next, I'm gonna open up all this good stuff for you. Well, here it is all unboxed. It is absolutely beautiful. Went ahead and put one of the black tips on it so you could see. Very nice system. Really looking forward to installing this. And please, if you want to see this along with all the other parts that I unboxed today, if you want to see me install them, please like, follow, subscribe, click the little notification bell, and you will be seeing this all installed by me on a Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. I cannot wait. I'm waiting till the weather warms up a little bit though, because it's cold out there in the garage and I don't want to freeze. So please comment, let me know what you're most excited to see. And as for the intake, I do have a little idea for that. You'll just have to wait to see that video. If it actually works or not, we'll see. I'm at Rocky F150 on TikTok, Instagram, this channel, obviously. Show your support, guys. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the video. Thanks for viewing the video. And we'll see you next time.